Wow, boy.
Somebody on that?
Poor John. He's like, good work, John. Let's drop it. Is anybody on this? This side. We went to this side. Yeah, we are. Oh, awesome. Wait, what did you say? Oh. Dude, what do you love doing tonight? I really want to see it. Yeah, it's Taylor right now. It's scary. So that's so thinking all you guys. Did you ever see Gallows King?
Oh.
Get her in.
Oh, Jessica, you get off the board, please.
I'm so obsessed.
I'm gonna go home.
When are we playing next?
After the fourth game. Or after the, you see it, they're numbered?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Nate, come on.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's one of those.
I know. Well, he told me.
We play in the fifth game?
Sixth game.
I don't think get eliminated.
Bubble! Carson, you want to record? You want to record? Okay, then do that. Brandon!
Oh, right, yeah. It's actually down there and to the right. Oh, okay. Well, he could have just told us and answered it later. Oh! So we can...
Yeah, there's a rule sheet up there. I'm going to read
Can we
it.
go look at it?
Probably, yeah. No, it's not.
Does he like wear it? Oh, it's up front.
I'll go get it.
It's worth it. What is this? We're taping games? Oh, yeah. I don't want any tape. I saw it. Hand it over, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyway, it's about.
Oh, yeah. And the kid on first. No, I was happy.
You were happy? You were happy about it?
I was kidding.
Oh. Did you like
I'm
text
pretty
him and
sure
yell
it
at
was
him?
wrong.
Wait,
What am I gonna do? Text him hardcore? All caps? No, man, I ain't talking business.
I would have. Wait, who did you
I think it was because, okay, so like, I was, will you listen?
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Wait, this was last night?
Yes.
Wait, they were at, yeah, they were at Sid's. It was done when you got back home?
Yeah.
Or it was, oh, what time did you do when you woke up? Ooh, they all, yeah, nice.
Okay, and
Haley! Don't do anything inappropriate. I knew that's what you were thinking. Your wheels are turning.
welcome to the club. And welcome to the,
No.
okay.
I bet it left hand against a couple. Yeah, we both did. And I even got the first time on a hit, too.
Damn, I hate doing this.
Yeah, but anyway. Like, I don't even think it, I mean, it was... Has it been a long time that you haven't been, or...?
Brandon, you on the board?
I got him.
Yeah, kind of. Kind of? No. I know, but for Luke here.
Out at 2, tell him. No, that's not them. It's...
Yeah, because Wiffleball, I'm going to do that every time.
Score.
But they have. I don't know exactly. You were going on towards Saginaw, or you were on Saginaw Road towards Midland, towards Midland. What time? What day? I don't know. Thinking from what day. So it was probably like 11:15.
Look at the board.
I looked.
Okay.
Oh, I want to play the lobe studs.
Okay.
The lampshade.
Okay. Look at the board. They're numbered, and there's a reason why they're numbered.